Hello everyone. In my last video we have discussed some problem which is related to your application of your trigonometry. So today again in this video I'll be teaching you one more type of problem. This type of problem is very important. So let us go through the problem first, what they have said. I've taken one problem from your textbook, from your MPOS textbook. So let us go through this problem, what they have said. The angle of elevation of the top of the hill. The angle of elevation of the top of the hill from the foot of the tower. That means what they have said. They say that one hill is there. One hill is there and a tower is there. Okay? Hill and the tower is there. And they say that the top of the hill from the foot of the tower is 60 degree. So what you do is that, suppose you take CD as the hill. Suppose this is the hill. This is your hill. And this is what? This is the tower. This is the tower. Now what they have said. The angle of elevation of the top of the hill from the foot of the tower. From the foot of the tower to the top of the hill. It is how much? It is given to be 60 degree. And the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the hill. From the foot of the hill is given to be how much? 30 degree. Which is the foot of the hill? This is the foot of the hill. From here to the top of the tower, it is given to be 30 degree. And what else they have given out here? The height of the tower is how much? Height of the tower is given to be 50 meters. So this is the height of the tower, which is given to be how much? 50 meters. And they have asked you to find out what is the height of the hill. That means you have to calculate your CD. Alright? I hope so you are okay with the figure. Now let us go to the writing part of this. Solution. Let us do some writing part for this. Solution. How to do the writing part? From the figure, whatever you have written in the figure, like AB is the tower, CD is the hill, angle of elevation is 30 and 60 degree. Everything you have to put in the writing part. So let us start. You can start this way. Let AB is given to be how much? 50 meter. Be the height of the tower. Be the height of the tower. AB is equal to 50 meter, be the height of the tower. Then next, what is the height of the hill? CD. CD, be the height. Be the height of the hill. Your CD is what? It is the height of the hill. Then you can simply write it down. Angle of elevations are what? 30 degree and 60 degree. So you can write it down. And angle of elevation and angle of elevation are 30 degree and 60 degree. So you do little bit of writing part from the figure. Looking at the figure, you do little bit of writing part. Now you see, your aim is to find out CD. That is the height of the hill. You have to find it out. And you know this one is equal to 50 meters. So what you will be doing is that you consider this triangle. In triangle ABD. You consider this triangle. So you write it down in triangle ABD, comma, right angled at what? Right angle at B. Right angle at B. Now, if you look at this figure, whenever you consider this triangle and next you have to consider this triangle, which part is common? Your BD is common. So what I'll be doing is that I'll try to think of a trigonometric ratio between your AB and BD. So this will be the perpendicular and this will be the base. So what is the trigonometric ratio which connect your AB and BD? As we have already done in our last video, it is tan theta. So I will take tan of 30 degree. So tan of 30 degree I will take. So when I take tan 30 degrees, so it will become AB by BD. So it will become how much? AB by BD. Now you put down the value. What is your tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 from your trigonometric table. We have already discussed in my last video. And AB is given to be 50. AB is given to be 50. BD is BD only. BD is equal to BD only. Now next, what is going to happen? So let us see what is going to happen. We will discuss the next part. Now, what you will be doing is that just do the simplification. Kindly do a little bit of simplification. This implies how much is your BD? Your BD will become how much? It will become 50 root over 3 meter. That means you got your BD as how much? It is 50 root over 3. 50 root over 3 meter. This is your BD. Now, what you will be doing next? You consider this triangle. In triangle CDB. You consider this triangle CDB. Then you use your tan of 60 degree and see how much you are going to get. So, next line. In triangle CDB, comma, right angled at D. Now it is right angle at D. Now you use tan of 60 degree. What is tan of 60? Tan 60, again perpendicular by base. So which one is your perpendicular? CD will become your perpendicular. So it will become CD by BD. It will become how much? CD by BD. Now next line, you just do the simplification. Let us try to do the simplification. From your trigonometric table, what is tan 60? Tan 60 is root over 3. So your root over 3 is equal to how much? CD you have to find out. CD you have to find out. And BD how much you got? 50 root over 3. 50 root over 3. Now, next line, what you will be doing? Root 3 is root 3 by 1. You do cross multiplication. So, what will be the value of CD? So, 50 into root 3 into root 3 is 3. So, how much you will get? 3 into 50 will become 150 meter. So, you have to find out your CD. And you got your CD as 150 meter. So, you can write down the conclusion. Let us go through the conclusion. Let us write it down the conclusion. Hence, comma, the height of the hill is how much you got? 150 meter. And that is the required answer. So I hope so this part is okay for you. The main thing, whenever you do this chapter, some application of trigonometry, the main thing you have to keep that in your mind is that you should be able to draw the figure. That is going to be a very, very important. Okay, once you know how to draw the figure, the problem becomes very simple. Just learn how to draw the figure and remember all those trigonometric ratio, all those 6 trigonometric ratio. Okay, I will conclude my class here. Thank you so much.